Hi everyone, Jen Sheffer here with another Discovery Educational tutorial. Today we are going to be looking at activity templates in the Studio Creator. So you'll begin by being in your teacher dashboard and you're going to click on Studio. And from here on the left-hand side, you'll click on Create New. You will see activity templates, board, and slideshow. So we'll go ahead and click on activity templates. So we see here a wide variety of templates that have been created by Discovery Education. They are instructional strategy templates. The SOS stands for Spotlight on Strategies. And the simple process is to just pick a template, add your content, and then assign it with students. So you can see the skills that each type of template is emphasizing, and then pick one that will meet your needs. So as an example, I really like this quick write strategy. So I click on it. I can read a overview of what this template strategy will help my students accomplish, and as well as what type of media this template can be used with. And you'll see here at the bottom it says video. The skills that it emphasizes are summarizing and key ideas and details. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on build this activity. Once it opens, you can see here I have teacher notes that automatically open on the left-hand side, giving me a few directions. And there's also a PDF where I can learn a bit more about the particular strategy. So when I click on this, I actually have to click this open PDF activity right here, and it's going to open more details about this instructional strategy in a separate window. So keep that in mind. It gives you the big idea and some extension and modification suggestions. And this actually can be printed if you needed to do that and you wanted to keep a copy of that. And if you are ready to go, you will just, like the instructions said, click on the text box to change the topic, and you can also modify directions. You can click on this plus sign here to add content, either from your content library or from your Quicklist. You can also upload from your device. If you wanted to have a quiz, you could add a short answer, multiple choice, multiple select quiz or a block quiz. And last but not least, if you wanted to change the theme, the aesthetics of this template, you can do so by clicking on that palette. Click on the drop-down menu to select a specific color. And whichever color you select, let's just say we want to change this to a shade of purple. Click on that arrow again. You can also change the background. So if I clicked on images, I can scroll through, and if I click on patterns, you will see that those patterns have also changed to a shade of purple. And make those changes if you want to. And if you are ready to share it with your students, you would click on the three dots and click assign. You will assign it right to the students within the Discovery Education platform. There are other tutorials showing you how to do that. The other option is to share this with colleagues, so you can grab a link and send it to your colleagues. But most of the work is done for you because Discovery Ed has created a wide variety of activity templates. So I hope this is a feature that you'll take advantage of. It's a great way to check for understanding and integrate formative assessment into your instruction. I appreciate you watching, and stay tuned for additional Discovery Education tutorials.